Introducing kids to woodworking.
Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. So today we have a delightful video for you as we explore the world of woodworking with kids under the age of 4. But first I want to talk about an important concept, which is risky play. So as parents, we all want our children to grow up prepared to face challenges and make informed decisions. That's where the concept of risky play comes in. Well, carpentry is a skill that allows children to evaluate and manage situations, preparing them for real-life experiences. By introducing basic woodworking concepts when they're still young, we give them a chance to develop valuable skills and learn through experience. Well, but there's more. Engaging our kids in woodworking can boost their motor skills development and spark the creativity of their fresh minds. But now, going back to our project. We started by searching for old wooden items like this charming chair from the Alentejo region in Portugal. Our little experts took charge and gave directions based on their vast experience. Our little builders began by applying wood paste to fill holes. Then, meticulously sanding the chair. To protect the straw seating, they cleverly used masking tape. The girls got to choose from a selection of 3 colors to paint the wood area. They even tested some flowers design on the back of the chair, adding their personal touch. Drum roll, please! And here's a fantastic final result made by our talented upcycling directors, who gave it all into this project. We hope you've enjoyed this woodworking adventure with us. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting do-it-yourself projects. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy woodworking!
Obrigada. Obrigada.